Hey, let me ask you something right up front. Have you ever hit play on a game and realized halfway through that your rig just can't keep up with the way you play? That exact moment is where the Aegis R2 AI gaming desktop went from nice to have to something I couldn't go back from. This is built for the person who feels performance, who doesn't just look at frame rates but notices when textures pop without hesitation, when worlds load instantly, when your system never asks you to dial settings back. If you're that kind of gamer, take a moment and check the current price and stock. Machines like this don't linger, and when they're gone you'll be waiting. You know you were due for an upgrade when your old system sounded like it was begging for mercy every time a new AAA dropped. Mine used to choke on what should have been smooth 60s. Load screens weren't just slow, they felt like pauses in my experience. That's when you realize you're not just playing with your gear anymore, you're watching it hold you back. The first time I fired up the Aegis, I felt relief wash over me. It wasn't just faster, it was confident. Everything behaved like it was meant to. Games launched like they were excited to run. VR scenes felt true instead of muddled. Multitasking was just normal. Once you feel this level of performance, grinding through older hardware feels like dragging a weight. In real use, this is a system that keeps up with you. Competitive sessions feel snappy and precise. Streaming and recording don't interrupt gameplay. Even creative tasks, editing footage, handling overlays, rendering clips, stay calm while you focus on what you're actually doing. You don't notice how smooth things are until you go back to something else and feel the friction again. And it's not just about raw power. It's about the consistency. Frame pacing stays solid even when the battle heats up. Temps stay reasonable. You start to trust that your desktop is on your side, not just a box you hope performs. Here's a quick reminder. Don't sit on the idea waiting for a better deal. Components this balanced don't come and go without affecting price and stock, and you already know what it feels like to be stuck wishing for more. Maybe you're wondering if it's worth spending up when there are cheaper boxes with similar labels. That's exactly where people get trapped. Specs on paper are numbers, feeling the responsiveness, the instant load times, the absence of hesitation, that's what changes your experience. This desktop gives you space to grow into future titles without compromise. One thing that genuinely surprised me was how quiet everything stays under pressure. You expect performance to roar, but here it stays composed. That calm lets you focus, react, and enjoy without talking over your own system. Owning this feels different. It doesn't just sit under your desk, it becomes part of your playstyle. You feel more ready, more engaged, more present in everything you do on it. Gameplay feels sharp and faithful. Loading is instant, not wait time. Multitasking loses its limits. VR runs without compromises. Your rig finally matches your ambition. It's not the most budget-friendly option you'll see, and it isn't tiny, but once you live with the performance, those trade-offs fade because you're living in a class above what you came from. Eventually the loop of comparing rigs turns into a choice you already know you want. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you keep postponing and later kick yourself for. Act now while it's available. Check the current price and availability, decide with confidence, and moving to the kind of performance that doesn't hold you back anymore.